The so-called state capture, it is only state capture when the state is captured by those we dislike. This is what Koko Oprimashikwe said. Listen to him on this clip, guys.
It depends on who has captured the state.
Yeah.
If the state is captured by men in suits and ties, we don't have a problem. And that is why some forms of state capture, such as what the Madlanga Commission is dealing with now, are not palatable. And other forms of state capture are palatable. So you can say, during the period of Zuma's presidency, South Africa was in the middle of state capture. Before Zuma's presidency, before 2009, there was no state capture. Since Zuma left the union buildings, there has been no state capture. There's nothing more